Hello everybody, my name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale, the channel where I teach you guys how to pick up regular items that you can find anywhere and flip them on sites like eBay for a profit. So I have a small Goodwill haul for you guys. Very excited about it. Getting back into the groove of filming. So if I'm a little bit rusty, haven't filmed in like a month, but I haven't stopped thrifting, obviously. I am like surrounded by crap, so I'm like the queen of the death pile. It's fine. It's like a security thing. I have to have stuff in case I can't go anywhere, especially with winter coming here in Iowa. Winter sucks, and although it's probably not gonna snow for another 5 months, you never know. So it's nice to have a little security pile in case I can't go anywhere. So anyway, I think I only spent $60 this day, and I got quite a few good things. So first off, I have this plush. It's Wild Republic. It's just a cute little husky, wolf, whatever you want to call it. But I sell plush all the time, and pretty much in my experience, any plush sells. Some like more common animals like this will take longer to sell, but I have ample amount of space to store this stuff, and it's only $1 at my Goodwill for a smaller plush. So might as well grab it. This one I kind of wanted to keep as like my gym bag. It's like almost so ugly it's cute kind of a thing. But I just think it's adorable. Keep your little like gym shoes and stuff in it. It's like the perfect size. Anyway, this is Vera Bradley. This would probably sell for like 25 bucks plus shipping. It's pretty clean. I'm just not sure if I'm actually keeping this or not. And I'm pretty sure I got this for like $5. This one, ooh, yeah. I hit the Y2K, and I'm not sure if Y2K is like still a thing anymore. Pretty sure it still is. This is a cachet dress, which cachet is like so Y2K because it's not being made anymore. And a lot of this stuff is more of this Y2K style. So I think I can probably get 25 to 30 out of that, if not more. This one's also Y2K. This one's like a Y2K style, like prom dress. Who remembers the zebra? Oh gosh, it's got zebra and leopard mixed in. Who remembers these type of prom dresses? Because I do. Crisscross straps and open back. This one is Morgan & Co. in a size small. I don't know. I'm assuming I can get, 30 bucks plus shipping for that. I truly don't know why I bought this. It's probably just like the stigma that these can go for a lot. That's not true. They don't really go for a lot. This is the Princess Diana Beanie Baby. I'm assuming I paid $1. I can probably get $10 plus shipping for that. So that's why I grabbed it. Plus my mom's always been like Princess Diana obsessed. So she has one of those, and I don't know, must just be ingrained in me. This is a Torrid jumpsuit. Look how cute this is. This is a Torrid, like it would be a cropped jumpsuit on me. I am pretty tall though for a gal. But it's so cute. It's got nice stretchy fabric. This might be a good thing if I'm gonna be trying like Whatnot, which I'm still on the fence about. I am approved to sell there, but there's been a lot of stuff going on as per the last video that I posted that I'm not sure if adding something else is gonna be a good idea for me right now, but we'll see, because I used to love going live for when I owned my boutique. So it feels like the perfect fit for me, but I don't know. I don't know if now's the right time. This is a student Bible, and Bibles actually sell very well. Their sell-through rate is crazy, but I think I can get 15 for this plus shipping, and I paid $1. So that's always a good turnaround for me. These, I believe, these are a women's medium Under Armour sweatpants. I may keep these, but I may also sell them. I'm not sure. Medium's not really my size, but I am looking to lose a little bit, so we'll see. If not, 15 to 20 on those. These are, oh, these are for me. These are a size small Joy Lab. They're just Target little joggers. I'm obsessed with these joggers. I have probably 5 pairs of them at home. So I saw those and I thought, why not? These are also Under Armour. They are the Heat Gear summer weight joggers. So I can probably get 15 to 20 for those, especially with back to school. So I need to get those listed. These are also for me. Sorry. They are just Adidas little like wide leg yoga pants. These are what yoga pants used to be. Like when I was in high school, every girl had the flared yoga pants. Like the skinny ones weren't even like a thing. Well, they were, but just like, not a lot of people wore them, and now they're back in, but it used to be everybody did skinny. These are Zaya Active, which is a super popular brand where I live. It's actually an MLM company. This is what the logo looks like on the back. But these are still selling for like more than Lululemon sells for on eBay, for me at least. Like I can probably get 35 to 40 for these. And they are a size large, so perfect. I also got this Free People top. I'm not sure, it probably won't fit me. It's really cute though. It's like this mustard color. It's a size medium. Super cute. Probably get 15 to 20 for that. And then the very last item that I got, I told you this was gonna be like such a quick haul. This one, Abercrombie & Fitch cargo shorts, because I've heard that they've been doing really well. I believe these are like Y2K era, because that does not look like a tag that they make anymore. And it's got like Abercrombie on the side, and it's got the little cinch things at the bottom. At least I think, yeah. It's got the cinch things at the bottom, so I'm pretty sure these are the ones that you're gonna wanna look for. And they've been bringing like 60, 70 bucks for the Y2K ones, so keep a lookout. Hopefully these will do well. But I just picked them up knowing that that has been a bolo for a lot of people lately. So anyway, that is what I got with in my short haul. I did grab a few pieces for myself, but I think we have like 10 pieces to list and sell. I've been trying to slow down on my sourcing because I have been doing garage sales like hard. Well, I have the chance to get inventory super cheap before winter comes. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you like me, if you like content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. See ya!